So we're always talking about what we can do for the environment, and we decided, it's really hot, and dryers take up a lot of energy. So I had a bunch of decking materials left over, and from the cable railing system. So we thought, hey, this could be a great clothesline. So there I am digging the post holes for 2 posts, and I had to dig them 2 feet. It was really hard because the ground is rocky, but got it done. And here's our concrete, mixing it. It's 3.5 liters per bag, if you were wondering. And the mortar hoe, that's really hot, but hey, got it done. Filling the hole there and tapping it with my work approved OSHA footwear, and getting it level. So now we have it set, each of them nice and level. And let's put in the wire. This is from Mizuda. This is from the cable railing system. And basically you just crimp the wires into these screws, and they both turn opposite directions, so that when you put them opposite from each other, they turn the same direction, so it doesn't mess up your wire. And then this is me digging the notch out of the crossbar that's going to go on top. And then I have to I have to cut out the notch to go into the post here, using my circular saw to start it, and then finishing it off with the sawzall. Kind of crude, but hey, it got the job done. And so as I shake the camera on the post, but almost there it is. Now we just set it in nice and level, and now we need to secure it with some lag bolts. So drill it in, put in the lag bolts, put on the screws, the nuts, and nice and straight, beautiful. And there's the finished product, hanging up some clothes in that sun, using that heat, and I think it looks great. And it's great for the earth. Look at that beautiful country sunset.